This is my Taima pure aluminum pan, non-toxic cooking. It take like almost 2 weeks since I placed an order, and today I'm gonna try how to do omelet. Finally, they got stick in the pan. I use a lot of oil either, but doesn't help. So doesn't seem like work well as the advertising describe. So I try again to do my fried egg after this doesn't work. So guys, just let you know that still stuck in the pan no matter what. And yeah, just look like that. So gonna try one more time again later. But yeah, after that I clean the pan and still fry the egg, but still sticky like you see in the video. Anyway, keep in mind if you want to get this brand, so long process for shipping and still stick in the pan, just like you see in the video here, for real. All right, it's worth the money, $189 for this pan, but I still want to try next time to do stir fry, other kind of stuff, but the egg doesn't work for me. So just let you guys think about when you're gonna buy these products.